Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make iceberg salad. First, select a crisp, firm head of iceberg lettuce. Next, gently remove any bruised or wilted outer leaves. Then, use a sharp knife to carefully cut out the core. After coring, rinse the entire head under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. This initial preparation is crucial for a clean and refreshing salad base. Once cleaned, it's time to chop your iceberg lettuce. Aim for bite-sized pieces, roughly 1 inch to 2 inches in size, for easy eating. The key to a great salad is dry lettuce, so use a salad spinner to remove all excess water. If you don't have a spinner, gently pat the lettuce dry with clean paper towels. This prevents a watery dressing and ensures maximum crispness. Now for the exciting part, dressing and toppings. For the best results, add your dressing right before serving to keep the lettuce crisp. Classic choices like a creamy blue cheese or a tangy ranch dressing pair wonderfully with iceberg. Feel free to customize with your favorite toppings, such as crispy bacon bits, juicy cherry tomatoes, or crunchy croutons. A simple sprinkle of black pepper also adds a nice touch. To enjoy your iceberg salad at its peak, serve it immediately after dressing. The crisp texture and fresh flavors are best when enjoyed right away. This refreshing salad makes an excellent side dish for a variety of meals, from grilled chicken or steak to a hearty sandwich. It's a versatile addition to almost any dinner table. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, be sure to check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.